Hello all of you. So today we start how to install Grafana. So firstly I am login in machine. Okay. So you can search Grafana for SUSE Linux. I am searching zipper AC Grafana. Okay. So just a few seconds and your package is see in display. Okay. And you can also install Ubuntu, RHL and other machine window. So you can go to Firefox and search Grafana install enter. So you can see official site in Grafana this link and you go Grafana official site. Yes. So you can install how to install Debian or Ubuntu, Red Hat, SUSE Linux, Mac, Windows, all method in given in this site. This site is official site, and you I am installing OpenSUSE. So click OpenSUSE. So you can see how to install OpenSUSE this method. Firstly, you go terminal and copy this command and run. Then this command, then install. This command is gpg key import and rpm import gpg key. Okay, and then next command is add repo, means grafana repository added in your machine, and you can mm, install grafana. So I'm using OpenSUSE. You can see my OpenSUSE server. OpenSUSE 15.4 means, so you can search Grafana. So I'm already searching Grafana. You can see here, and again search. You can see package. Yes, this is Grafana package. So simple. You install Grafana. So run command zipper in -y. Hyphen y means automatic accept condition. Okay, and graph now. Just wait. Yes, you can see grafana package install only 54.3 MB, and by default user and password admin. So you can change password, otherwise skip this process. So I am showing grafana is running port 3000 port. Just wait. 43. Any doubts and difficulties, please comment me, and I hope this video understood. So my grafana package 83% are completed. Just few seconds. Yes. So my grafana package is installed and checking file conflict and installing Grafana. Just wait. Yes. So my Grafana is installed, and please start your service. And with service systemctl status Grafana server dot service. So my service is inactive and disable. So firstly I am enable this service. Why enable? Because your machine is rebooted and automatic uh, system is Grafana service is off stop. Why? Because disable. So I am enable this service. So reboot this system and your service is perfect started. So systemctl start Grafana. Yes. So Grafana service is proper start and you can see status. Yes, running. You can also Grafana access in port 300. This one. So I'm go to browser and you access Grafana localhost localhost 300 3000, this port running in Grafana. Okay, so your another machine Grafana, so you can also use localhost to localhost replace your machine IP. Okay, and enter. Yes, so Grafana successfully installed and you can log in this icon. Go and I have sing out. Okay, my Grafana is already logged in, so you can use admin user and admin password by default. Okay, so you can see invalid or password because I am already sign up and change this password. So you can see this one. My Grafana server is proper installed. You can see. Okay, thank you. Any comment, any doubt and difficult, so comment me. Okay, bye. Thank you.